So as you'll see, LensGo, I've been playing around with some of just the different models. One I just used, I actually used a prompt that was already together. And as you'll see, this is the result that it gives me. Interesting, but not me. As you'll see, this is the original reference video that I used. This is the result right here. So it definitely got even the background. It got that, which is weird. There's the tree here, but it got the hair, everything. But as you'll notice, the blue eyes. Um, like I said, a lot of even the programming, because it's crazy. Like I said, that the color is not able to be there, but it's getting better. So we'll see. So we're gonna go ahead and regenerate. I'm using now the game house design, and I'm not sure what that actually means. It looks like more like a video game kind of. I'm also looking down here. I'm thinking maybe I've got to stick with darker backgrounds. It is what it is, to see if we can kind of make it a little bit more. It seems like anything that has a pale face, it's going to give you a pale face unless you play around with it a little bit. So I'm right now, we're going to try Game House and see what happens. So we're going to regenerate it. And I think it actually does it. Oh, yeah, it charges me. So it's like 40 little coins. And you actually start off with 200 when you first join. That's with a free account. So we're going to using this same prompt. So it's basically taking my original reference video here and turning it into a girl with long hair in a neon lit bedroom with the TV playing. So we're going to give that a chance to record, to create, and then we're going to check it out. And as you'll see, this is what it's got. So again, the hair is perfect, but if we look at the reference video here, we'll see that, yeah. So again, it gave it a little bit more color. It's still giving that purple vibe, but again, we'll go back and look at the reference video and we got the purple vibe. So I'm going to pop this open here. This is the original video of me. This is my original video, and this is the two versions that we got from LensGo.